What's up everybody, Ebrahim Mbokazi here, back with another educational video. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you a decentralized blockchain that specializes in social media. Now, this is a decentralized social media platform whereby you will be incentivized just to use the social network. Now, on this blockchain, we are going to be looking at the different dApps that are built on this blockchain and how we can take advantage and start making some few income by just using this application. Now, before we get started, you know the vibes. Make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and also leave me a thumbs up just to show some support and if you find any benefits by watching my video. Without wasting any further time, let's jump onto today's video. The platform that I'm talking about is called DESO. DESO is an abbreviation of Decentralized Social Media. Welcome to the social layer of Web3. DESO is a new layer 1 blockchain built from ground up to decentralize social media and scale storage heavy application to billions of users. We can also see some big names as investors like Coinbase, also Social Capital, Digital Currency Group, Winklevoss Capital, Polychain Capital, and also some of these other big names over here. Moving forward, we can see that DESO has had over 73 million in transactions. They have a total volume of $1.4 billion and 1.6 million wallets has been created, and they have a total supply of 10.8 million tokens. Moving forward to the ecosystem, these are some of the dApps that have been building on the DESO blockchain. But before we get into that, let's just move forward and look at the roadmap on this project. We could see that the phase one of the roadmap is the social layer of Web3. As you can see over here, they have launched the MetaMask integration, and up next will be the DESO dollar stable coin. They're going to be creating a stable coin very soon, and also in Q3 we are looking at USD treasury on DAO. They also have their own DAO project, and moving forward in the Q3 they're also going to be launching a mega swap, which will be a decentralized exchange. And also moving on the Q4 is on-chain E2E encrypted group chat. Moving forward to Q4 also is the new COO joins. This is the second phase that it's called the Internet of DESO. This is what we are going to be looking for. That's going to be happening here on the phase 2, and then on the phase 3 is the revolution, and this will probably be the last phase, but probably there will be another phase added here, but we just have to wait and see if all these phases get completed in the coming near quarters. Moving forward, if you also want to read up on some news about DESO, you can go ahead and read up on some news. They also have some very good publicity. You can go ahead and read up on some news on what they're doing and how they're actually improving the whole DESO blockchain. Also, moving forward, what I will also recommend that you also follow them on Twitter and also join their Discord to be updated on anything that happens within the whole DESO blockchain. Now, let's have a look at these dApps that are building on the DESO blockchain and how we can also use them and get incentivized by just using these new dApps building on this blockchain. First step that I would recommend is that you claim your username. Once you have signed up an account, you can use one profile to sign up on all these different dApps over here. You can use one account to sign in on all these applications right here once you have claimed your username. Now, as you can see, we have a couple of these applications that have already built and already live on this blockchain. So these are some of the consumer app. If you want to have a look at this document, the link will be in the description, or you can go ahead and download it. This is the white paper, so you can go ahead and download it. The first applications are the consumer application. We have Diamond. So what is Diamond? Diamond is like Twitter front end that uses crypto to enhance the experience by leveraging the DESO blockchain. And then we have Supernovus, bringing a social experience to the NFTs. And then we have Entry, the Web3 professional networking app, and so forth. These are also the other application. And then we have Investor dApps. These are all the investor dApps right here. You could have a look at them. And then we have NFT username exchanges. These are all the NFT and username exchanges that you could also have a look at. These are all the tools, explore, and utility applications. You can go ahead and also have a look at these right here. There's quite a bit of applications that are already live on this blockchain, so I would recommend that you start using this blockchain just to play around and maybe see if you can find any benefits within the DESO blockchain. Now, moving forward to the white paper, there are a couple of things that are highlighted that are quite important that we just need to have a look at. So how does DESO work? A good way to understand DESO is to imagine a Bitcoin node only evolved to be able to handle a much wider area of transaction types than just sending and receiving money, with a vast amount of customer storage and indexing logic tailor-made to support social features at scale. Now that's just a small explanation as to how does DESO work. There are more things that I have highlighted that we're also going to be having a look at. For instance, the importance of storing everything on chain. The problem with such an app is that, however, running a centralized server has a significant incentive to eventually becoming a gatekeeper, just like some of the social media platforms that we currently use right now. They control all of our information, and that leaves them in charge of all our information. These are some of all the stuff that are stored on chain when you are interacting with the DESO blockchain, such as your profile, posts and comments, private messages between users, likes and follows, social token activities, social tipping activities, all NFT activities including NFT bids, all DESO transfer and activities, links to all rich media such as video and image. Those are all the stuff that are stored on chain on the DESO blockchain. Moving forward, there's also something that's called a social token, also known as a creator token, on the Diamond platform. So this is the Diamond platform. This is like your Twitter but built on the blockchain. Now, understanding more about the creator token. Everyone has a creator token. Every profile on the DESO gets its own coin that anybody can buy and sell. We call these coins creator coins, and you have your own creator coins too, simply by creating a profile. The price of each coin goes up when people buy and goes down when people sell. Moving forward, what are creator coins useful for? Creator coins are a new type of assets class that is tied to the reputation of an individual rather than a company or a commodity. Moving forward, the creator coin supply curve. The creator coins are naturally scarce, with generally fewer than 100 to 1,500 coins in existence for each profile. The formula or curve for determining the price of a creator coin is as follows. Note that the creator coins are normally bought and sold with DESO cryptocurrency, but we provide a dollar version of the formula for easy calculating. If you want to determine how much your creator coin will be in value, you can go ahead and use this formula to get a better understanding. Moving forward, right here we can see that for instance, if you have 5 creator coins and each is priced at $1.20, that means you need to have an amount of $2 locked into your profile. So this kind of gives you a better understanding as to how much you need to have in your profile locked to evaluate the value of your creator token. Now also right here we can see a creator coin price versus creator coin in circulation. Now that was just a little bit of information that I also wanted to share on the DESO white paper. If you also still want to read up more about the DESO blockchain, you can go ahead and check it up right here. The link will be in the description, and I will also recommend that you also download the white paper to get a better understanding about this blockchain. And also, if you also want to look into the DAO, they also have a DAO whereby you can raise money for your community, and this also allows Web3 social media platforms to fund and trade the next big thing. Basically, you can actually help fund any project through the DAO platform, and also become an early investor in some of these projects. Now, if you found this educational and you found it helpful, don't forget the link will be in the description if you want to check up on this project on DESO. And also, if you found any benefit and you found this helpful and educational, don't forget guys to leave me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi, and I will see you on the next video.